Good morning, dear students. In last class, I have given till answer number 10 and remaining questions today I will give. Lesson 13 sound exercises. Today I will start from the answer 11. Question is the state one major difference between noise and musical sound. Refer to page number 161. Refer to page number 161 and you have to write one difference. This is the musical sound and noise. You have to write one difference. This is the answer 11. Answer 11. You have to write from here to here. Any major difference you can write. Now come to the answer number 12. Question number 12 is the why does sound not travel through vacuum? Sound waves are traveling vibrations of particles in media such as air, water or metal. So it stands to reason that they cannot travel through empty space where there are no atoms or molecules to vibrate. This is the answer 12. Sound waves are traveling vibrations of particles in media such as air, water or metal. So it stands to reason that they cannot travel through empty space where there are no atoms or molecules to vibrate. Now come to the question number 13. What is noise pollution? State three ways by which noise is produced in homes. Suggest two ways of minimize noise. Refer to page number 163. First we will write what is noise pollution. You have to write what is noise pollution. Answer number 13. You have to write the disturbance produced in the environment by the undesirable, loud and harsh sound from the various sources is called the noise pollution. And then it is asking state three ways by which noise is produced in homes. Noise is produced in homes. Sources of noise in homes. Following are the causes of noise in homes: television, radio, power music system, washing machines, dessert cooler, mixer cum grinder, vacuum cleaner, telephone, typewriter, air conditioner. This is the sources. And then you have to write suggest two ways of minimize noise. Then suggest two ways of minimize noise. Then you have to write from here any ways you can write for minimize noise. Anyone you can write. And then now come to the question number 14. Name three major classes of musical instruments and explain how the sound is produced by them. Then answer 14, page number 162. Page number 162. Then answer 14. You have to write from here three major classes of musical instrument. String instrument, tantu vadya. String instruments have taut strings mounted over specially designed wooden frames. These are partially hollow from within. When the strings are plucked or stuck or played with a bow, they vibrate to produce a musical sound of some particular frequency, and the pitch of the sound of a musical instrument can be changed by altering its length. You have to write from here to here. And second class, wind or reed instruments, susir vadya. Wind instruments make use of vibrating air columns. In these instruments, the air is blown in either directly or through the reeds. Flute, shennai, bagpipes, bugles, etc. are some of the examples of wind instrument. Then third one, percussion or membrane instruments. Avandu vadya. All percussion instruments have a taut skin over a hollow metal or wooden frame. When the skin is struck, it is produced A musical sound, dholak, tabla, mridangam and drums etc. are some of the examples of percussion instruments. So till here you have to write. Now come to the question number 15. Which part of the following musical instruments vibrate to produce sound? Drum, membrane of drum, violin, string, flute, air column, tuning fork, prongs. Tuning fork, prongs. And then now come to the 16. Give 4 sources of sound in garden, animals, birds, insects, swings, marketplace, motorcycle, auto, loudspeakers, human beings, and kitchen, mixer, stove, cooker, juicer. And now come to the answer 17. Why is the lightning seen at once but the clap of thunder heard after some time? Because light travels more faster comparing to sound. Because light travels more faster comparing to sound. Because light travels more faster comparing to sound. So this is all about chapter 13 sound, and you have to write in copy. What is the remaining questions you have to write in copy. So this is all about chapter 13, and chapter 13 exercises completed, and this you have to write in copy.